Hi, this is Rob at edgestocks.com. Thank you for joining me for our update for April 8th, 2010. I have a handful of stocks for you today, looking pretty good. I do see the market down over the next several trading days. Now we are in a bull phase, so that could mean moving sideways as well. The sell-offs have been bought up by the bulls over the last few days, while I did expect to see some sideways to down movement. So conveniently, we will see Greenspan speaking as the market declines, which results in a reversal. So be cautious on the short side and continue your buying. The first stock that we have today is symbol TRMB, Trimble Navigation. As you can see today, Trimble has had quite a sell-off. It's currently down 3%. After having been down substantially more earlier in the day, coming down through the 20-period moving average and leaving a nice tail. This is a pattern that I personally like to see when I'm buying stocks. The average trade on this stock is very large, 21%. Now the stock is at $28, and it's probably not unlikely that if we scan back, we will see that it was at lower prices not that long ago. So often when we see a 21% winner, we might not expect that to achieve 21%. We would need to see this stock move up about $5 up into the 32, 33 level. Not to say that won't happen, but just be advised when dealing with percentages, this kind of thing can happen on a stock that is going higher and higher. Next symbol we have SWN, Southwestern Energy. As previously mentioned, we should see some buying in the energy sector. The stock has already seen some upside in the past couple weeks or so. And we're looking for about a 15% average trade on this. I have sorted based on the ratings today. This is our second highest rating for today. It is nice to see that this stock is in a pullback over the last couple of days. Technically looking pretty good in my best estimation. Symbol AAN is next. Aaron's Inc. This stock has seen nothing but upside all year pretty much and continues on higher. We're looking for about a 10% to 11% average trade on this stock. And so if you don't mind buying into new highs, this might be a good choice for you. Symbol SPAR, Spartan Motors. This stock has been in a decline most of the year. It's looking like it's had a couple of strong days. This is a lower price stock. Sometimes you can see real nice moves in these. Expecting a return something on the 20%, 22% area on this, which would mean it would only need to move up $1 or so, would be up into this area right here, probably testing this previous swing high right here. We'll see what happens on Spartan Motors. HXL is our next symbol. Hexcel Corporation. This one looking good. It came up and tested a high. It's coming back to test the 20. Looks like it's been on good volume and a good rally, so hopefully we will see continued upside on this. Also looking on about a 20% gain on this, which would be $1.50, about $3 or so. So run up to 17 new highs for sure on that. LUFK. Seems like I'd seen this one recently. We might have had another trade on this earlier in the year. This stock also playing with new highs, looking real good in terms of just a great rallying stock. This one we're looking for about a 12.4% return on average, which would run this up upwards of $100 or so. And so it is for Lufkin Industries. Symbol DCO. Ducom, I'm not familiar with this company. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. Also in a real strong rally on the stock. It even tried to do a pullback to the 20-period moving average, and it was so strong it continued on higher. We're looking for about an 8 or so % return on this one over the coming just under a month, about 3 weeks or so. And symbol CYAN, Cyanotech. This one, I'm not sure the exact industry the stock is in, but it's a low-price stock. It's recently come down and tested this area. This one might be a good play. Only looking for about 5 or 6% on this, so it only needs to pop up a little ways. It's up 8% today, and you can see the magnitude of that. So this stock hitting the 5% target should not be too difficult to achieve. Do be cautious, however, because the bid-ask spreads on this stock are relatively high and the volume is relatively low. But we have had a good selection, a good cross-section today of stocks that, depending on your personal trading style, you can select from. And like I said, we do expect the market to be more or less sideways into early next week probably, and then continue up from there. So that's what I have for today. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.